In Power Query in Excel, we can easily convert a data type. For example, here I have the date, order date, which comes under date and then time and then PM or AM. To change this, click inside your table, Query, Edit, and wait a few seconds. Power Query will load, and here, data type. Let's first begin by selecting our column. Data type, it shows us as text. Select date or time or text or percentage as needed. In this case, I need only date. I will click date. Sometimes this error will come. Change column type. The selected column has an existing type conversion. Would you like to replace the existing conversion or preserve the existing conversion? We will just click replace current. If you go to an error, you can always undo the change and try again to convert to a date. As you can see, the change has been amended, and if you want to undo it, just click and remove from here.